A new day has come.
You idiot! Why are you here? Get out so I can use the toilet! Ew! What is that? This is so gross! I've gotta flush it! Whew, finally gone. Jack, why didn't you flush the toilet? Oggy, why are you yelling at me? Because you never clean up! I do so. You're just a nag. Am not. You're lazy. You idiot, Oggy! I don't care about you anymore! Grr! I'm so mad! Rawr! Huh, keep walking! Help me! Help me! Help me! Oh my God, my leg is not okay! Hang in there, buddy. We're almost there. It hurts so much! Okay, lift on 3. 1, 2, 3!
Jack, your leg is broken. You need immediate treatment. We will contact your family.
Oh no, Doc, is it bad?
It's a fracture, but we'll treat it right away.
Okay, thank you.
Why isn't Jack home yet? I was a bit harsh with Jack today. Are you telling the truth? I will come right away!
Oh no, I'm late! Gotta go faster! Whoa, watch out! Almost there!
Jack, are you okay? I'm sorry for shouting at you.
Oh, it's nothing, Oggy. I'm fine.
Doctor, how is Jack's health?
Jack is fine. Everything is okay. He only has a broken leg and can be discharged tomorrow.
Jack, welcome home. Thanks, Oggy. Let's get you settled. I miss this.
Oggy, you cooked so many dishes today! Eat a lot, brother Jack, to get well soon.